Hello everyone, welcome back to our current affairs initiative Diya Prelims, where we discuss the important information from the current affairs. Hope you all are following and you know the importance of it and you are following the PYQ series as well. So we have taken very important topic which was there in news, very important information from science and tech point of view. So it is about Halteria या जो भी pronunciation है. So do you know about it? कहीं देखा है? ऐसा कुछ देखा है क्या? Okay, so let's have a look at the question. Then we will try to understand what is it and why it is important. So here we have our question. The question is Halteria, which was in news, is a what? It is a virus-eating microbe, cyanobacteria found in the permafrost region, or it is a variety of red seaweed found in India, or it is D, a deadly virus affecting whales which was in news. क्या है ये? So it will be good if you take the stand, if you take one, choose one answer and you note down in the comment section. Let's see कैसा जाता है. ये हर बार मैं बोलता हूँ और आप में से कुछ ही लोग हैं जो participate करते हैं. Participate करो guys, it will be good. Why it was in news? Why we are discussing it? We are discussing it because of this article which was in Hindu, and it is from today's article itself, January 19. It is talking about viral nutrition, and the researchers at University of Nebraska and Lincoln, they have reported that there is a particular genus of plankton. The name is Halteria. They can grow and divide given only virus to eat. If they are being given only viruses to eat, they can grow on them, they can divide, like they can reproduce, they can grow. So remember this is very important. Okay, so it's about viral nutrition कि वायरल से जो न्यूट्रिशन मिलता है उसको भी खा के कुछ प्लैंक्टॉन्स हैं जो जिंदा रह सकते हैं, ग्रो भी कर सकते हैं, डिवाइड भी हो सकते हैं. This could be of significant improvement, a significant role, or it is important study to understand the marine food chain. Because of this it was in news. And जो हमारा Halteria है, the plankton, so it is plankton, it is a microbe. Plankton भी microbe की कैटेगरी में ही आते हैं. So ऐसा कुछ दिखता है माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर, they look like this. ऐसा दिख रहा है. So कुछ इसके ऊपर hair like जो स्ट्रक्चर है इसको cilia बोलते हैं. This is used for the movement purpose. ठीक है. So this is about why we are discussing it. अभी आंसर भी पता चल गया होगा, लेकिन कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज हैं which we should know in order to understand. if UPSC इसको अलग अलग तरीके से पूछता है, then we should be in a position to mark it correct. Let's understand it. So Halteria अभी पता चल गया क्या है. So they are the first ever organism that eats viruses. Okay, for primary nutrition. From primary nutrition point of view, they are eating. That is very important. Now let's have a look at the other aspect, other information. So they are what? Halteria is what? It is genus of plankton which can consume virus. This is one. They have hair-like structure called cilia on their surface. उससे वो mobility होती है. If they are given only viruses to eat, they can consume 10,000 to 1,000,000 viruses particles a day, virus particles a day. This is about consumption. And by eating that, उसका जो digestion होगा, जो भी metabolism होगा, after that they can by feeding on viruses, they can increase their population using the metabolized energy which they are getting from the virus, and they provide more food for the zooplanktons. अब Halteria को जो consume करेगा उसको भी तो energy मिलेगी. So that consume the Halteria. That is how the marine food chain is being taken care. समझ में आया Halteria के बारे में, उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में. कुछ और भी डिटेल समझते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज प्लैंक्टॉन्स. पता है, वी रीड इट व्हेनेवर वी रीड साइंस एंड टेक. साइंस की बुक में पढ़ते हैं. देन वी रीड ऑल्सो व्हेन वी रीड अबाउट द एनवायरमेंट इकोलॉजी जब पढ़ते हैं तब भी पढ़ते हैं. सो व्हाट आर प्लैंक्टॉन्स? दे आर माइक्रोस्कोपिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स दैट कैन ओनली मूव विद करंट, वाटर करंट के साथ. दे डोंट हैव देयर ओन एनर्जी टू प्रोपेल. जैसे फिशेस वगैरह प्रोपेल करती है, उनके पास ऐसी एनर्जी नहीं होती है. They don't have any facilities to actively propel themselves. they move with the current. ये भी एक प्रॉपर्टी याद रखना. And Halteria, if we have to talk about where they are found in large numbers in the freshwater bodies. Freshwater bodies में they are found in large number. So remember that if this statement is coming, then also you should be in a position to mark. Another property is they are heterotrophs. Heterotrophs, autotrophs, heterotrophs means they cannot prepare their own food. Okay, and they are well known bacteriovores. कहने का मतलब है कि ये बैक्टीरियाज को भी खाते हैं. वायरस को तो खाते हैं, बैक्टीरियाज को भी खाते हैं. Given them a chance that you have to only live on viruses, that they can do. But yeah, other than that they also eat bacteria. So they are well known bacteriovores. उनको खाते हैं. So this is about the properties of Halteria. And now let's revisit the question again. Halteria, which was in news, is what? Virus eating microbes, cyanobacteria found in permafrost region, variety of Red Sea weed found in India, deadly virus affecting whales. So the answer is virus eating microbe, virus eating plankton. अभी clear हुआ? तो कैसे भी question आता है, now you have that conceptual clarity. Now it becomes important. Why? Because virus को खाने वाली चीजें जो होती हैं, they are very rare. In NCERT this is given, bacteriophages. UPSC has already asked this question. Bacteriophages are virus eating bacteria. Within us, within human body, there are cells which can consume our immune system. They can consume viruses. They can destroy basically. उनसे energy नहीं मिलती है. Energy नहीं लेता हमारा cell. But Halteria, they are taking energy from virus. That is, we are talking about virus nutrition here. Bacteriophages, they can consume. They can break down. हमारे बॉडी के अंदर जो सेल्स होते हैं मैक्रोफेजेस, वो कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस इज इट अबाउट दिस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट Halteria. नाउ लेट्स एक्सपेक्ट अ क्वेश्चन इन साइंस एंड टेक. Any kind of question which UPSC is asking, now we'll be in a position to answer given that if they are asking Halteria. Okay, so this is it guys in today's video. Hope you guys are going through our PYQ series. You must have gone through the recent video on pingos. इसी तरीके से जो भी relevant information है, we are coming up from current affairs, from PYQs. Just make use of it. Be safe. Take care of yourselves and revise very, very well. By now, we expect that now you would be in a routine. You must have made a routine for yourself about where it should include about CSAT, about your PYQs, about your test series, about everything. आएंगे एक ऐसी वीडियो भी लाते हैं, because many of you are asking कि सर रूटीन क्या होना चाहिए, कैसे होना चाहिए, तो एक वीडियो लेके आते हैं उस पर. ठीक है. Till then, take care and study very well. See you all. Bye bye.